Okay, is this visible clearly?
Visible, sir. Clearly.
Okay, okay. You keep your mobile like this horizontally, like this, always like this. Okay. All right. Okay. Asritra, put on your video. Right. Okay. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Comparison of numbers. We are learning comparison of numbers. To compare two numbers, here we have two symbols. How many symbols here we have? To compare numbers, there are two symbols. Two symbols. What are the symbols?
Less than, greater than.
Yes, less than, greater than. So see, observe clearly. So this symbol is greater than or less than? Asritra, is this greater than or less than? This first one.
Sir, smaller than, sir.
Yes, very good. We have to say clearly less than symbol. What than symbol? Less than. In this less than symbol, left side, smaller side. So this pointed side, smaller side. We have to keep smaller number. So first number, what number we have to keep? Smaller number. This right side, what symbol, what number we have to keep? Bigger side, bigger number. Understood? This pointed side, smaller one. So while talking somebody, you like this, you showing. This like showing means you are lesser me. You know. ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరైనా చూపెట్టప్పుడు ఇట్లా ఇట్లా చూపెడతా అంటారు. ఎప్పుడు చూపెడతారు? ఇలా తక్కువ తక్కువ అని చూపెడతా అంటారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. ఓకే, lesser side, smaller side, smaller number, bigger side, bigger number. Okay, this is what symbol?
Less than.
The second one.
Greater than.
Greater than. So this side, bigger side. Okay, right. Sometime note, this is called a equal symbol. So when we keep equal symbol, both the sides are same.
Equal numbers come in same numbers.
Yes, good. Right, okay, good. So like this, Asritram say, what symbol come here? What symbol come here? What symbol comes here? Asritram?
Sir, equal.
Equal.
Sir, equal.
Very good. Equal symbol. Right, okay. Equal symbol. Right, okay. Equal. Equal symbol, right. Next, to comparison of numbers. Rule 1. A number having more digits is greater than another having fewer digits. For example, in this, how many digits in first number? All of you.
5 digits.
5 digits. So in this
5 digits.
So in this 4 digits. That's why. Yes. That's why first number is greater than second number. Okay. It means 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number, is greater than 3-digit number, is greater than 4-digit number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is 4-digit number. This is 3-digit number. What symbol comes? So ceremony. What symbol comes here? What symbol comes here?
Sir, I am saying. Sir, I am.
Okay,
Greater than.
Very good. Greater than. Yes, okay. Greater than. So here.
Unmute. Mute. Cheshna.
Okay. Teacher, okay. Okay. Ceremony, you keep your mobile like this. Horizontal ila pettese. ఓకే Sirimavani, like this scheme. Complete time చేయాలి ఇలా సరే ఓకే ఓకే తర్వాత సెట్ చేద్దు ఓకే రైట్ అట్లా కాదు ఇంత సరే ఇంతం లా నుంచి ఓకే రైట్ ఓకే in this what symbol comes అక్షర్ ఆశ్రిత్ రామ్ okay ma say Srita say
Sir,
greater than so here 4 digit number yes greater than if I keep like this 1 2 3 4 which symbol comes here less than right less than okay next if two numbers contain the same number of digits we compare the leftmost digits if they are also the same we compare the next digits and so on for example if we have like this same number of digits how to compare 1 2 3 4 1 4 1 0 so which is the largest number second one is the larger number we have to compare like this so if these are same so that's why next we have to compare next digits here which is different which is larger one second number is larger one so that's why like once again I will tell you we have to compare like this also 1 2 3 4 2 9 9 so which is larger in this second number so here if we compare this is the larger one next 1234 is less than 1234 is less than 1410 1410 first we have to compare this leftmost digits these are the same number of digits these are same next to compare these digits so here 2 is greater 2 is less than 4 2 is less than 4 so first number is smaller one okay so in this comparing this is the larger one second one is larger one okay right next least and greatest numbers for the finding the least number of n digit we write n minus 1 zeros in the right side of 1 and for greatest number of n digit we write the number 9 n times that means number smallest largest smallest one digit number is what smallest one digit number 1 smallest one digit number 1 largest one digit number 9 smallest two digit number
10
largest number
99
so like this the series containing 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit this is this once again see carefully this is 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit 5 digit 6 digit smallest numbers this is the series of smallest numbers 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit 5 digits 6 digits greatest number series largest 1 digit 9 2 digit 99 3 digit 999 4 digit 9999 5 digit 99,999 6 digit 9,99,999 okay
95 okay sir
right understood 5-digit greatest number with different digits. Children, we know the digits. What are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Using these digits, we can write numbers. To write a largest number, to write a greatest 5-digit number, we have to take greatest digits. What are the greatest digits in this? These are the 5 greatest digits. Using these greatest digits, we can write 98,765. 5-digit smallest number with different digits is, to write smallest number, we have to take what digit we have to take? What digit we have to take? Smaller digits. What are the smaller digits? What are the smaller digits?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
These are the smallest digits. So using these smallest digits, we can write a smallest number. But while writing smallest number, we don't write 0 at the leftmost side, leftmost place. So we have to write second to left to second place. We have to write 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. This is the order of writing smallest number using the different digits. Understood this?
Yes.
Have you understood?
Understood.
Right, okay. What is the smallest, what is the 5-digit smallest number with the different digits? 1, 10,000. We have to write 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Means to 10,234.
234.
Okay. Next, order relation. So how many order relations? There are 2 order relations, ascending order, descending order. Do you know ascending order? Ascending order
Yes,
means
sir.
small
to big, sir. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small.
Very good. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. So if there is a
small.
Right here we have some numbers. 123, 576, 234. So 100. So write this in ascending order. To write ascending order, first
123, 234, 576.
Very good, very good. Right, good. Write this in descending order. These numbers are write in descending order. Descending order.
760, 776.
No, no.
576, 234, 123, 100.
Yes, okay, right. This is correct. Sirimavani, once again say this. Once again say. Descending order.
So descending order, okay. 576, 234, 123, 100.
Okay, very good. In this, you may keep like this symbol also, children. Greater than symbol. You may keep like this symbol also. In this, which symbol comes? Which symbol comes in this? Less than symbol. In this less than symbol. In descending order, greater than symbol. Yes, okay. All right, okay. Writing the smallest number using the given digit each only once without repetition. When none of the given digits is 0, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. To write the greatest number, so here given 3 digits. Here given 3 digits. What are the digits? 3, 6, 8. To write the greatest
3,
number.
6, 8.
To write the smallest number. we have to arrange these digits, given digits in ascending order. Small to big, 3, 6, 8. This is the number. Okay, understood? Next, when one of the given digits is 0, we put 0 at second place from the left. When we then fill the remaining places from left to right by the remaining digits in ascending order. So here, if there is 0, how should write it? If there is 0 in given digits here, so given 0, 3, 5. So how to write this? Smallest number.
305. 305, sir.
30.
305.
Very good. Is this why isn't correct? Why isn't correct?
0 first right means 35 came, sir.
Yes, this only 2-digit number will become this, yes, only 2-digit number. So that's why this is not correct. This is not correct. This is correct. Okay, now? Right.
Okay, sir.
Next, writing the greatest number using the given digits each only once without repetition. How to write greatest number? How to write greatest number, children? Here we have 4, 6, 7. So using these digits, how can we write greatest number? To write greatest number, we have to arrange these given digits in this order. 764. 764. Okay. Now I am going to end this meeting. You have to complete this MMPT 3, Maths Main Points Test 3. You have totally answers in this these points. You have everything in this. Basing these points, you have to complete this in your notebook. మీరు వీటి ఆన్సర్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఇలా రాయండి అమ్మ. మీరు ఎలా రాస్తారంటే గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్ డినోటింగ్ ఏ నంబర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ న్యూమరల్. అంటే మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఎలా రాయాలంటే సీరియల్ నెంబర్స్ వేసుకొని కిందికి రాయండి. ఓకే, నిన్న రాసింది కరెక్టే. న్యూమరల్. సో సెకండ్ ఇట్లా డౌన్ కే రాయండి టోటల్ గా 25. ఓకేనా? మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నేను మళ్ళీ తర్వాత చెప్తాను. సో మీ దగ్గర ఇవన్నీ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి, మీకు పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి నేను పంపించిన PDF లో. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఇవి ఫిల్ చేసి పంపించండి. ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవి రాయొద్దు టోటల్ గా, రైట్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్సర్స్. ఒక ఆన్సర్స్ రాయండి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Write the successor of the following numbers. Okay, are you okay? Successor okay kada?
Yes, sir.
Successor, predecessor means before number, successor means next number. Put appropriate symbols. So how many tenths are there in 1,000? So you know all this. సో మీరు రాసేటప్పుడు మాత్రం ఇలా రాయండి అమ్మా ఆన్సర్స్. నేను చిన్నగా వేసి ఒకసారి మీకు క్లియర్ చూపెడతాను. మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ ఇలా రాయండి. ఎట్లా రాస్తారు అంటే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ మీరు ఇలా ఆన్సర్స్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.4 ఫస్ట్ 1, 2, 3 ఇట్లా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. రైట్ ద సక్సెసర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నంబర్స్. సక్సెసర్ ఆఫ్ 399 is what? Successor of 399 what? Ashrit Ram. Sir. Successor of 399 what? Sir. Successor of 399 what? Successor of 399. Immediately next number. You ceremony, you tell me.
Sir, I am sir.
Srita tell.
400.
Very good. Ila write like this. 400 ani answer రాయండి అంతే. Next, successor of 862. Srimauni, 862. Srimauni.
Sir, success of 862. Sir, 900.
862. 862.
Sir.
Immediately
Sir,
next
I
time.
am
Tell.
863.
Very good. 863. Immediately next time, one add yalante ekko add cheyoddu. Add only one. 602.
603. 603.
ఓకే మీరు ఇవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు కదా మీరు ఆన్సర్లు ఇలా రాయాలి కిందికి రాయండి ఇట్లా నేను కరెక్షన్ కీజ్ అవుతది ఇలా కిందికి రాయండి 1 by 1 రైట్ 1 by 1 సో ఇలా రాసి మీరు సెండ్ చేయండి ఓకేనా ఆన్సర్స్ అన్ని ఇలా రాసి సెండ్ చేయండి ఓకే
ఓకే సార్
రైట్ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ దిస్ మీటింగ్ ఓకే కదా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఏం లేవు వాట్
Two pages send, sir.
2 pages. MMPT 3. This exercise 1.4. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, right. మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ డౌన్ కు రాయండి 1 2 3 1 by 1 right 1 by 1 okay right
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I am going to end this meeting. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.